If you want to enable or disable automatic screen rotation on POCO F7 Pro, you have two main ways to do so. The first method, and the quickest one, is to simply go to the control center, where you should be able to find this icon, this lock with a circle and the arrow. So over here, as you can see, we can toggle the screen orientation. If you want to be able to rotate the screen, then of course make sure that it is enabled. It is actually disabled. If it's locked, then it means that we cannot rotate the screen. So with this option being disabled, you should be able to rotate the screen pretty easily, as you can see over here. Alright, so this is one of the methods, and the second method to actually toggle this option, in that case we need to go to settings, scroll down to additional settings, go to accessibility, physical at the top, and then over here we have auto rotate screen. So this is how it works. So here we can disable or enable automatic rotation. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.